Hi everyone, welcome back to NailNovice, where today I'm showing how I create this textured raindrop effect using gel polish and pigment powders. I'm starting with 2 coats of my chosen background colour, of course curing between each layer. I'm then applying a layer of transparent pink, but you could also use your clear top coat and curing. And out of the lamp, I'm using the sticky inhibition layer of this to adhere my pigment powders. Patting them into place with a sponge applicator and using a soft, fluffy brush to remove any excess, dry wiping my brush on a paper towel between each colour. Using the end of a striping brush, I'm dabbing drops of top coat straight onto the powder, focusing on areas where 2 or more colours meet. When I'm happy with my top coat drops, it's straight into the lamp for the usual top coat cure time. And out of the lamp, I'm cleansing the nail. This removes any powder not sealed in by the top coat to reveal the multicoloured textured raindrop effect. Now, if you did use top coat over your background colour earlier, you could stop now and your nail would be complete. But because I always double coat a nail art to allow clients to get more wear from their sets, I'm finishing with a final top coat over the entire nail to finish. That's all for today's video. Subscribe for more tutorials.